Well, hey guys, welcome to St. Augustine, Florida. Um, it was a hell of a drive in that truck. We actually got in town yesterday. Melissa and I left Saturday morning around 7 o'clock, and took us, there was so much traffic. It took us 10 hours just to get to southern North Carolina. So we stayed there for the night, and then we continued on. It was only supposed to be a 5.5 hour drive. It was an 8.5 hour drive to get here. The traffic and the accidents that we saw on 95 were just horrible. So anyway, we got in town yesterday about 3:30, quarter of 4, and we were able to get this much installed. And PJ's crew's on his way up to do the roof for me. They're bringing me palms, so they're going to do the roof while they're here. So it's been a, oh my gosh. Like I said, it's Monday morning. I'm exhausted from driving that truck. That truck was a bear to drive all the way down here, especially it's so much traffic. Unbelievable. So for all you guys that were gawking over Melissa the last couple years on installs, there she is. Do you still have stalkers?
No, they've kind of subsided.
Really? Not now. They're coming back after this. All right, well, we got some work to do. We got a little bit more to set up for this bar, and they should be here any minute, really, with the thatching. So, all right, on to the next video. But for this one, Tiki Kev out. Hey guys, welcome back to St. Augustine. How do you like your bar?
Love it.
Love it? All right. All right, well, we are done here. It's getting late. We got to head over to Hudson. But there's the box truck right in the way of the bar. But we are done here in St. Augustine and heading out west. So this is the 6x8 bar you guys saw in the shop. And if the video's off, it's because I can't see a thing. And when I was in Maryland doing that video, we dropped the bar off on the water. They had a fake beach there. It was so bright like this, I couldn't see the camera. I did a selfie the whole time. 5 minutes of me going over and just explaining the bar, and it was my face the whole time. But all right, so we got we did a 8x10 roof, 6x8 bar, and this is, as I said, the one you guys saw in the shop. And it is fully installed. It's got an ice bin and a refrigerator and rope lighting. So that is it for here for now. And in the next video, you guys will see out in Hudson. All right, it's been a long 3 days, and they're not getting any shorter. So we're gonna take off and get out of here, and see you guys in the next video. But for now, from oh my gosh, I'm losing my mind. St. Augustine, Florida. Tiki Kev out. Hey guys, surprise! I'm back. Well, this is location number 2, and you can see how tight it is here. But we got here this morning. We got here around 8 o'clock, maybe 8:30. There's the box truck, and then we got the trailer full of palms, and that's Jacob's truck. But look where we have to get the bar, or had to get the bar. So that wasn't happening. It wasn't going back there at all. So what we did is we went through the neighbor's yard all the way around the back, and then dollied it. We actually carried the bar. We picked it up and carried it through the grass. There's 5 of us. 5 of us. Yeah, 1, 2, yeah, 5 of us carried it and dropped it on the concrete back there, and wheeled it the rest of the way. And then me and Jacob carried the roof back. Roof wasn't that heavy. So we are in Hudson, Florida, and I think Jake's on the roof now. He's been up there for almost 2 hours. I think he's got maybe, hopefully, an hour and a half left or less. Because me and Melissa are driving down to see Bill and Chrissy in Fort Myers. Yeah, this is tight. The bar was never getting through here. So they actually took the fence down, and they said it was coming down anyway. So we just wheeled it right across, right into place. So I guess that's Jake up on the roof right there. He's about maybe halfway done. There's the canal. That's our office for today. Jacob and his wife live down here, so they see this every day. Canal goes up there. I guess it leads to the Gulf because we're like right. Hey, Jake, how close to the water are we? Do you know? Like the ocean, the Gulf? What's that?
Like 3 foot.
About 3 foot? Yep, that's about right. So, I'm not giving them a ladder to get down, just so you guys know.
No, this is brackish, so it leads straight to the water.
Yeah. I just didn't know how far.
Maybe go down about between all the canals. You're probably between the turns and everything. Distance-wise, you'll travel maybe a mile and a half. To get to the actual
That's how close we are to the water?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shit ain't nothing. You know, and most of that's just turning through these little cul-de-sacs and shit.
Yeah.
You know?
I think there's like a beach around here.
A beach?
Yeah, Hernando Beach is right down the corner.
Oh, it is? Oh, okay.
There's a military base and everything out of there.
And look at Melissa doing what she does best. She's just sitting around doing nothing. Look at her. See? That, not my work. Nope, he didn't like that one. I was being nice to you earlier.
You can't be nice on camera.
Never.
Whoa, I got a reputation. Oh.
Abby can't be nice on
Anyway, so this is what, the third video. We'll tie them all together. I'll have a final one when the roof's all done and we're packed up, ready to go, and we'll see you in that one. All right, from Hudson. See you in the next video. Tiki Kev out. All right, guys. Well, it is 2:30 on Tuesday afternoon. There's Jake. He's cleaning up his stuff. He's got the roof all done, and we're done. We're heading down to Fort Myers. Another 3.5 hour drive, maybe more, because it's 2:30 now. We're gonna hit a lot of traffic, probably going through Tampa and some of the other towns heading down there. But we're done, and we are out of here. So this was the 4x8 bar. Wow, I don't know if you guys can see this. I can hardly see the bar. But anyway, a 4x8 with a 6x10 roof for Tiki Kev bar stools. Jake thatched the roof for me. Did a fine job. Ouch. It looks good. And this just has rope lighting and cabinets in it. There's the rope lighting and the cabinets. I am so excited to be done. Just 3.5 more hours of driving, a couple days off in eastern Fort Myers. Patty's flying down, and plunk, and I'm done. I am done for a couple weeks. Gonna drive home Saturday, Sunday, but taking Wednesday, Thursday, Friday off. And we had some issues with the truck yesterday. And I took it to a service place today while Jake was on the roof, and they couldn't figure it out because it stopped doing it, and they couldn't figure out what the problem was unless it happens again. So hopefully it doesn't happen. And last 20th install, and we're done. I'm tired. I'm very tired. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, non-stop. 2 installs, 1,200 miles plus, and plus another 200 down to Fort Myers. I'm tired, guys. So for this week's, the final install of the season for me, PJ, thanks for sending Jake and his wife up to help us out. And for me and Melissa from Hudson, Florida, Tiki Kev out.